Hello and welcome, guys. It's me, Dr. Shweta. Today, I'm here to discuss some stretches of ankle. If you are having pain over your ankle, so you can try these type of stretches which will relieve your pain. So, let's start with a warm-up exercise. So, as you know, also that before stretching, we can do warm-up. So, how to do your warm up of ankle? It's just like that. You have to put your leg forward and just do plantar flexion, that is go downward, go upward, go downward, go upward. Just repeat it for 10 to 20 times. That's we have to do warm up for 45 seconds. So you can do how much you can towards the 45 second or for 1 minute. So plantar flexion, dorsiflexion, you can do it for 15 times. So it's easier. 15 times plantar flexion, dorsiflexion, that is going downward, going upward, is warm up. Then inward and outward for 15 times also, 15 seconds. That in every second you have to go inward, outward, outward. Okay, so the next for 15 seconds or 15 sets you have to do circumduction, that is first of all you have to do anti-clockwise, then clockwise or anti-clockwise. It's up to you. So for 45 seconds you have to do these three exercises for warm up of your ankle. So after the warm up you have to rest for 10 seconds and then just get forward towards your first exercise. So what is the first exercise? First stretch is our calf stretch. So how to do your calf stretch is like you have to take some belt also, and if you are at home, you are not having such things, TheraBand can also help you. So you can take some stole of your or some towel. So you can fold it like that and just put it over your feet and just put your leg forward. Make sure that you have to lock your knees when you put forward your leg. Then you have to lock your knee up to this position and then you have to just stretch your ankle. You will feel that there is a stretch. There is a stretch over your here. That is calf muscles. You can feel the stretch. You can stretch it for 10 seconds and then relax. 10 seconds and then relax. Do it for 10 times and then just relax for 10 seconds and again do it. Make sure that you have to do the whole stretch daily for 5 minutes. If you are able to do these stretches daily for 5 minutes, then you can feel that there is a pain going away from your ankle. So the first stretch we did that is calf stretch. So the next stretch, it is called soleus stretch. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to put your leg over there and then you have to just move forward and then you have to apply some pressure that your whole feet is on the ground. You have to apply some pressure and slowly move your leg backward and then lean your body forward. As you are moving your leg backwards, okay, like you have to see that if you move your leg like backwards and put your pressure over your ankle, so you don't have to lift your feet above the ground. You have to just still on the ground and you have to just move your feet backwards like that, so you can feel some of the stretches over your ankle. Okay, so this will also you can do for 5 to 10 times how much you can get, and after this also you can relax for 10 seconds. And the third stretch which we are gonna do is like we can say it like ABC. It's also like warm-up exercise in between. So what you have to do, you have to be comfortable over your chair and where you are sitting. So what you have to do, you have to make ABC with your ankles or feet. Make sure that you have to lock your knee. Your knee should not move and your ankle will move. So you have to make from your ankle, that is A, B and C. Whatever you want to make. If you want to write your name, that's my name is Shweta. I have to make S, H, W, E, T, A. Make sure that only the ankle is moving and you will feel some stretch over your ankle. Not your knee will move. Okay. So the third stretch is this. Now moving toward the fourth stretch, that is anterior tibialis stretch. So you have to move forward again, and what you have to do, you have to just put your leg backwards like that. Just see it. You have to put your leg like that and just move forward. If you are moving forward and just it should be on the ground. It should not take away from the ground. And if you have to move your leg like that, put some pressure over there, then you will feel some stretch over your anterior tibialis muscle. Okay, so this will also help you from relieving some pain over there. So these are the stretches which if you follow, you will relieve your pain. So the last one is like if you are having suffering from plantar fasciitis. Okay, so the blood circulation also have to be proper. If it become proper, then the pain becomes less. So what you have to do like, you have to take a water bottle, you have to take a ball also, tennis ball, and you have to take some bottle also like that. So what you have to do, you have to take a bottle in front of your leg, and from that leg, what you have to do, you have to just move it from your ankle with some pressure over there, so that your plantar fasciitis will be used. So if you are genuinely suffering from plantar fasciitis, then you will feel uncomfortable doing this. So if you are doing it regularly for 5 minutes, these type of exercises, so the pain will become less. It will not become severe. So these are the exercises which will help you from having ankle pain. So daily 5 minutes will help you and getting you better. So thank you. Have a nice day. If you are having any queries, please let me know. Thank you so much.